Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a proxy in the EpicBot software for Runescape. Let's get started. Open the application and navigate to the Proxies section. Click on Add to insert your proxy details. The application supports both HTTP and SOCKS5 protocols. Enter your proxy's IP address and port. For free proxies, no login or password is required. For private proxies, input your username and password in the designated fields. You can also set the names to proxies for easy management. Once you've entered the data, click the Add Proxy button to save your settings. To activate your proxy, navigate to the main menu, click on the Update icon next to Proxies, and select your added proxy. Finally, enter your account details and start the bot to complete the proxy setup in EpicBot. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.